This is my dog Langston. My husband and I rescued him after the 2016 election. You could say he was our election therapy dog. So I definitely agree that pets can certainly help with mental health. I think that in DC, one of the biggest barriers to folks having pets is around housing. I know that that was a restriction for us for quite some time, whether it be someone who lives in public housing that absolutely doesn't allow pets, or live in a building where they may allow certain types of pets, but it comes at an expensive cost. I would say those are probably the biggest barriers right now.
We have programs in our schools like food prints that work in community gardens and then bring those vegetables and things like that into the classroom and help children develop meals, and then help them develop their own cookbook that they can take home and work with others. We need to pass legislation to update the building codes around bird safe glass. But also I would be open to providing financial incentive for existing buildings and businesses to retrofit, as they retrofit and modernize, to do so as well. When I was a staffer at the DC Council, I drafted and helped pass the DC Urban Farming and Agriculture Bill back in 2014. And this was a bill to push the DC government to utilize open space to provide to nonprofit organizations so that they can develop community gardens. Because we know for a lot of folks who want to engage in DC urban farming and agriculture in DC, space is at a premium and it's not always available. But we do have open lots and things like that where we can foster that. As a council member, I'd like to build upon that, specifically looking to ensure how has the program been working, but also another part of that was around providing tax credits for businesses that are working with urban farmers, and then also working with food banks in particular, to help in terms of food security and handling our food desert issue that we have in DC. And